Hello guys, welcome to this Java tutorial for beginners. In our today's video, we will talk about instance of operator in Java. So without wasting time, let's get started. Now, let us understand instance of operator with help of this program. So here in my program, I have created the instance of my class A, right? And on line 10, what I do is I compare this instance whether it belongs to the class A or not. So my left hand operand is the reference variable and my right hand operand is the name of class. And if it belongs to the class, then I'll get the output as true. So let me run this program now. So let me compile and execute the program. So here you can see we have the output as true. Now let us understand next example. So here I have added my class B and in my main method I have created the instance of my class B. And on line 13 what I do is I check whether this reference variable B is the instance of my class A. And as soon as I compile, I get the compilation error because there is no relationship between my class A and class B. So let me show you this. Now let me compile the program. And here you can see we have the compilation error, incompatible types. Now if I add the concept of inheritance to my program, that is, let my class B extend my class A. And now if I compile the same program, then the output will be true because this is an instance of class A, since B is the child of my class A, right? So let me run this program now. So let us compile and execute the program. So now let me run it. And here you can see we have the output as true. And now if I modify the program and then I check this, whether the reference variable of A is instance of my class B, then I'll get the value as false because this is the superclass reference variable while this is the child class. So let me show you this output. So let me compile and execute the program. So let me run it. And here you can see we have the output as false. Next thing that you need to know is that if I check the null value with the instance of operator for any class, then the output will always be false. So let me run this program now. So now let us compile the program and let us execute it. And here you can see the output as false. All right. Now the final thing that you need to know and which is very important is that unlike our classes, if our class did not have any relationship, then we got the compilation error, right? But this is not the case with an interface. So even though I do not implement this interface for a class A, and if I check this using the instance of operator, so my class A is not implementing the interface I. And even though if I check this whether this A is an instance of I, I'll get the output as false. So let me show you this output. So let me compile and execute the program. And here you can see the output as false. And now if I make my class A implement the interface I, then the output will change to true. So let me run this program now. Now let me compile and execute the program once again. So let me run it. And here you can see the output is changed to true. So that is it for the today's video. And don't forget to subscribe for more Java programming videos like this. And I will see you until next time.